Good evening, everybody. It is July the 6th, 2019. It is 12:45. I need to get this evening earthquake report up so you guys can have that also, okay? Now, there was a 2.3 Central California, 15 miles east-southeast of Little Rock at 2 miles in depth. This happened early today. That was a new location. And I'm going, okay, new location. That's where the big one hit tonight, okay? A 2.8 Western Australia, 88 miles north of Ravensthorpe at 4.9 miles in depth. A 4.9 Tonga Island region at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.0 Central California, west of Searles at 1 mile in depth. A 3.0 off the shore of Chile at 93 miles in depth. A 3.3 northern Alaska, 63 miles south-southwest of Katowice, and that came in at 0 miles in depth. A 3.0 Central California, 11 miles west of Searles at 2 miles in depth. A 3.5 Central California, 9 miles west of Searles at 1 mile in depth. Guys, remember this happened earlier, right after the 5 o'clock report. There was a 4.0 Oaxaca, Mexico at 68.3 miles in depth. A 3.4 off the shore of Chile at 50.9 miles in depth. A 3.3 Central California, 7 miles southwest of Searles at 4 miles in depth. A 3.6 Central California, 10 miles west of Searles at 3 miles in depth. A 3.3 Eastern Idaho. Okay, that came in at 9.9 miles east of Soda Springs at 3 miles in depth. The 4.4 off the shore of Chiapas, Mexico at 40.3 miles in depth. A 4.8 Kermadec Island, New Zealand. That's after the big one they had today at 24.8 miles in depth. A 3.2 Albania at 0 miles in depth. A 3.5 Panama, Costa Rica border region. Guys, I forgot to convert these. That was at 29 miles in depth. A 3.7 near northern Sumatra, Indonesia. That came in at 103 kilometers in depth. A 3.0 Virgin Islands at 38 miles in depth. Now, I got the rest of them converted. I just forgot those three. A 4.0 Banda Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 Northern Alaska, 47 miles west of Katowice at 5 miles in depth. A 2.3 Central California, 5 miles west of the Pinnacles at 4 miles in depth. A 4.8, which this one just preceded the 7.1, which they upgraded this one. It was a 4.8 Central California, which was upgraded to a 5.0 Central California, 9 miles west-southwest of Searles. Okay, that was the one that preceded the 7.1. I have that in the link with the 7.1. All right, guys, that's what I have for the evening report. Things are still hopping around the world. Let me go ahead and see what else is dinging in here. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. I'll get back with you, but the rest of these earthquakes, all right?